Deaths from COVID-19 have mostly been among older people, but as cases surge in Florida, there are some younger people dying as well, including 3 yesterday in Pinellas County, people in their 30s and 40s. 8 on your side's Evan Donovan joins us from the St. Pete Pier.
This has been the deadliest week in Florida since the COVID-19 pandemic began, and now some younger people are starting to die too.
I'd say a lot of people have the "you're probably gonna get it" mentality.
Jennifer Yanchunis has been taking precautions even when her friends don't, but she still has the confidence of youth.
Personally, I don't think that I'm gonna die, but the thought of spreading it to my mom or my brother has a new baby at home.
New data from the state show COVID-19 isn't just spreading among young people, it's killing some of them too. 6 people between the ages of 22 and 49 have died in Pinellas County, including 3 just yesterday.
Perfectly healthy people have actually died of COVID.
The age distribution of deaths still skews towards the higher end. Nearly 85% of all the people who've died of COVID in Florida are 65 or older. But death isn't the only bad thing that can happen.
So death is the endpoint that we're most concerned with at most points, but that's not the only endpoint. We have young people who got sick who are reporting long-lasting health issues. They still having trouble breathing. They still had organ failure that occurred.
While many young people may blame this on pre-existing conditions, that's a long list and includes things like obesity, which affects 40% of young Americans.
I'm definitely taking it seriously. I mean, it's spreading like wildfire right now.
Public health officials say to follow the science, always social distance, and wear a mask, especially indoors when you can't. In St. Petersburg, Evan Donovan, 8 on your side.